Hey guys, welcome back to JW Tech Bytes. Today I have something amazing to share with you. It's a tool that can transform your Chat GPT prompts from boring to brilliant in minutes. It's called Prompt-genie, and it's the ultimate tool for Chat GPT users. Prompt-genie is a web-based tool that helps you design super prompts that you can use in Chat GPT to get better results. Super prompts are prompts that are more complex, creative, and diverse. To get started, you'll need to create an account and then try it for free. For pricing, as you can see, these are some of the features you get: 3-day free trial, unlimited prompt generation, no API key required, and credit card details. The plan they have is just under $4 per month. So now let's write our first prompt. Social media content ideas for growing my YouTube channel, and submit. And there you have it, a super prompt. Simply copy and paste it on ChatGPT. As you can see, now ChatGPT asks for the information it needs based on your prompt, which you can provide to tailor-make the content ideas. Now, let me show you another example that you will not need to add any more information. Back to Prompt-genie, we can say, write an article on the national park in Nairobi, Kenya, and submit. As you can see, it outputs a comprehensive prompt that now includes an overview of the park, its attractions, tidbits, research captivating introduction, and summary conclusions on main points. We can now copy this and paste it on a new chat on ChatGPT. As you can see from the results, it starts with a captivating introduction. Nestled within the bustling city of Nairobi, Kenya, lies a hidden gem. Then goes into an overview with statement like it covers 117 square kilometers. And as a side note, Nairobi National Park is the only park situated in a capital city. Then goes ahead to list the main attractions from wildlife such as lions, giraffes, cheetahs, and rhinos, interesting tidbits like birdwatchers paradise and wildlife migrations, and finally, a summary conclusion on the main points. And there you have it. In less than 3 minutes, you have an interesting article that is factual and evidence-based that you can literally post on your blog today. Now, for those who do not want to spend money on a tool like Prompt-genie, I will show you 3 powerful examples of prompts you can use to supercharge your ChatGPT prompts for free. And a sub to the channel would be supercharged. Let's get started. Number 1, brainstorming prompt. I'm interested in content around the topic. Enter your topic. My target audience is, example, age 20 to 35. The content's purpose is to entertain, to inspire. What is it? Also, explore ideas related to, enter the areas. Finally, considering the information provided, generate a list of content ideas. You can definitely take these prompts and try them out yourself. Next, we have content creation prompts. I would like to create a post video for, choose the platform, maybe YouTube, Instagram, whichever the case. The topic of the post is, write the topic name. The objective of the post is, what is the goal of that post. The target audience for the content is primarily maybe the youth or whatever. Be specific. The tone I would prefer is witty, informative, whichever the case. And the closing statement, generate a post video with these considerations. Then finally, we have trend research prompt. I would like to know the current trends in, enter the industry. The idea is to create content that resonates with the audience, mention the audience. I would like to know, based on the current trends in this area, whichever that area is, which related content is trending and in what format. Could be video, audio, whichever the case. Also, what hashtags are mostly used. And finally, generate for me a process or structure to analyze these trends. For similar prompts and more, I'll leave a link in the description below to the Twitter page that inspired these prompts. In a nutshell, to unlock expert mode and have super prompts, they need to be clear and focused, open-ended, relevant, thought-provoking, personalized to the audience, and action-oriented. By incorporating these elements into your prompts, you can stimulate creativity, generate valuable ideas, and facilitate effective content creation. Remember, the effectiveness of prompts can vary depending on the context and the individuals involved. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.